We've entered this really fascinating time where AI has moved from being the brain that chats with you to being the hands that actually do things for you. And I want to show you inside of ChatGPT how you can start getting this tool to actually start creating things for you. And maybe the first question I'm going to ask here is, hey, ChatGPT, you have a new function where you can build things for us. Give me the top 10 business use cases for small to medium-sized business owners and how they can implement this amazing function in their business. Right, and ChatGPT is going to give us a list here, and maybe I'll turn this one into an article as well. So now here are the top 10. It can do an instant SOP builder. It can do some custom scorecards and assessments. It can do a sales email and proposal generator, customer onboarding, mini apps for repetitive decisions. It can generate your marketing assets for you, training library creator, okay, on and on. There's way more here, so I think you can check in. Now, I was saying, of course, the amazing thing here is that you can save a significant amount of time each week and increase your productivity. Now, rather than me just telling you about this, I want to show you a couple of different things. So I've jumped into this and I've just asked a few things here. I've said, hey, build me a business plan generator. Okay, and you're going to ask me for these inputs, and then these are the outputs that you're going to give me. Now, I don't know if I've done an amazing job on prompting this, but it's giving me something. And here, look, I can click preview. And what do we get? Oh, there you go. So, hey, a business plan generator. Now, I'm going to only give it 3 inputs. So what's my idea? I would like to start a skydiving school here in the residential area of Nelson Bay. Terrible idea because we have houses everywhere and there's nowhere safe to land. Audience are overseas tourists who visit the Port Stephens region. Revenue goal. Hey, I think we would like to make at least 500,000 in our year 1. And then I think we could really get to 2 million in year 2 and 5 million in year 3. There you go, like that. And then I click generate plan. And oh, actually, look, it's done it. There you go. So now here's something I can use again and again. Now, would you want a business plan generator? Maybe, maybe not. Let's think about landing pages, though. Landing pages would be quite helpful for you. I've just asked it to build me a HTML landing page for AI Bunch, which is our small business AI training program. And I've asked it to explain, why this is a go-to community and create some bold headlines and free benefit sections. And with a click of a button, here's what we get. Now, that's not too shabby, is it? It's pretty close to our brand colors as well. It's done exactly what I asked, so I could have made it longer and more detailed, but just for the demonstration here. Now, I think psychologically, it would be good to have that button is green, so psychologically people can press, hey, join now. So what I did is, if I come back into this one, I can just scroll down and see. You can see exactly what I told it. I said, hey, make the join now button green, and it did. And then here's the preview. Oh, well, it changes it. So it gives us a lot of flexibility. So the key thing that you're asking here is build me this thing. So don't have a conversation, ask build me. I've done another one here, a competitor analysis dashboard. I haven't even looked at this one yet. So I basically said, hey, build me a competitor analysis dashboard where I can input, my field, and then you give me a table, comparing 5 competitor types, strengths, weaknesses. I'm intrigued to see what this is. I press run on this one, and then I started recording the video. Ooh, look at this. Is it going to load? Is it going to load? Oh my goodness. Wow. I am quite wowed by this. That's pretty decent. So industry context. Hey, I was making up a skydiving business just now. So why don't we say your industry or niche, skydiving in New South Wales, Australia. All right, generate. Okay, interesting. So it already looks like it's going to start doing things. Now, I don't know if the data is in here and it's connected up yet, so we could iterate on this, but I think this is pretty decent start. Now, in all of these things, of course, while these things are churning out in a minute or two, you can also go and create some fun things. So you don't just have to use them for business. I asked it to build me a simple browser game where I'm a banana dodging falling coconuts. So let's make this full screen and give this a play. So here we go. I'm the banana, and just with the keys, I can move left and right. Watch the coconuts. I don't want to get hit by the coconuts. This game might be a little bit addictive. I wonder how. What's the highest point? I had one very quick go just before. Oh, I ruined it, and it's restarted for me already. There you go. So anyway, up to you. You can use this game for this ChatGPT function. And I think the important message in this is that you want to start saying, build me this thing. Okay, and see what you can start building. I'm excited to see what you create and what you come up with. I know there's way better use cases in the short demos here. Now, if you'd like help and guidance in this on how to use these tools, how to prompt these tools, how to build these things, we have other apps that we show you outside of ChatGPT that will make things even more sophisticated. And we're finding some of our clients are using this knowledge to build tools that mean they can cut their current subscriptions. So we're finding it's reducing subscriptions. They're building tools that help clients, leads, come into their pipeline. They're building tools that help clients get better results and, have a bigger impact on their clients. So there's a million ways to do this. If you're interested and you'd like more help and support on this, come along to one of our free masterclasses. We have one coming up very shortly. Wherever you are, click on the link that's around you, wherever you're watching this video. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much.